Hi everyone, welcome back again to our channel, Mama Anne's Corner. I just want to share to you another set of Christmas cards that I made. Last time I was able to make 12, this time I was able to make 14. And it's because of the envelope punch tools that I've shown you last time. But before I share the cards that I made, I want to share also the Christmas card that I received from my friends. And the first one I want to share is this one. I got it all already from the envelope because it's kind of wet from the rain in our mailbox, so that's why I was able to get the um, envelope already. And these are the things that she gave me. I just really love this one. It's a gold and has a word says merry and bright. It's cute. And another thing, she also gave me this one. So pretty, it's so cute. It's like a sweater, maybe an ugly sweater, and it's really cute. I think this is a note. Here it is, really a note. I love this one. And I also love her Christmas card. It's really unique and pretty. And you can see that it's like you can open these things. And see, there's a building there, and there's the word in there. It says Merry Christmas, wishing you a wonderful holiday season. Love, Liana. It's a deal. And it's actually also has something at the back. It's a back-to-back kind of card. This is cool. This is really cute. Thank you, Liana, for sending us this card. Another card that I received is from Crafty Mermaid Mom. Dali, thank you so much for giving us this card. This is very pretty. You can see the snowman was enjoying the snow with the birds in there. It's really cute. It says here peace on earth. And inside you can see it's really pretty. Look at that. And she included stickers in there, a very cute stickers. I love that. Thank you so much, Dali, for that. And this is her card. It says, may you have the gift of faith, the blessing of hope, and the peace of his love at Christmas and always. Thank you, Dali, for this beautiful card. Thank you so much. So this time I want to share the cards that I made. Last time I made the size of the card is 4x5. This time I did try the 4x6. So I was trying to experiment the sizes, if how it turns out. And this time it's 4x6, and these are the design. And the cards is just one page. It's not the folded one. So this is the design. It's a snowflakes. Again, you can see that the envelope and the card match together. So it's a unique kind of card, which is pretty because you cannot see a card that has an envelope the same with the card inside. So this is the design that I made. It says merry and bright. And the word at the back says, it's not what's under the Christmas tree that matters, it's who's around it. And mind you guys, the words that I use in here is from this book. Last time it has two different books, and this time I used these two different kinds again. It's a beautiful design of Christmas sayings inside. And this is one of those here. It says Christmas is not a time or a season, but a state of mind. And you can see the pretty decorations in there. It's really pretty, guys. Another book is this one. It says Jesus is the reason for the season. And one of those words is in here. It says, for unto you is born this day in the city of David a Savior, which is Christ the Lord. So these are the words inside, and that's what I use in here. That's what I use in these cards. So it's a different texture again with the writings. So again, this is what I made. Next is this one. This is the most wonderful time of the year with an elf in there, snow globe. And there's a word here, Christmas is the day that holds all time together. And this is the design that I use. Another one is this one. I love this. It blends with the color with the snowman and the words Merry Christmas in there. At the back says Christmas isn't a season, it's a feeling. So you can see that in the book, I think. And another one is this one. Says Merry Christmas, and there's a truck again in there, which is very pretty. For the Christmas tree, I just put in there. And the word at the back says Christmas works like glue. It keeps us all sticking together. Kind of true. I don't know if it's Christmas, people are love to have gatherings and parties and all. But I just love how it turns. Be able to make a lot of cards with this one. And another design that I made is this one. I just put a word Holly Jolly because there's already a design in there. And the word says Christmas is a season not only of rejoicing but of reflection. Another thing is this one. I really love this one because this is just a simple thing to do. Is just using the washi. So I use a different kind of washi and just draw some, looks like a light, so looks like a candle in there, and just design it that way, and it turns out pretty. It says let light in, and the word says here, Christmas is a holiday that we celebrate not as individuals nor as a nation but as a human family. So this is the design that I made for this card, and these are the cardstock that I use. Another design is this one. So whatever in my mind, I just go with it. So it says Merry Christmas, and there's a reindeer in there, and then some decoration, Christmas decoration in there, and it says love the giver more than the gift. This is very true. We should not choose what's the gift, but just love the thoughtfulness of the giver. We should be grateful about it. Another card is this one. It says Holly Jolly Christmas, and there's a fox there, and looks like this he was in the grass, which is kind of cute. And the word here says Christmas is doing a little something extra for someone. So I'm choosing the word that is an encouraging one that would really help us understand what's really Christmas all about. And another one is this one. It says Christmas greetings. And another one here, the magic of Christmas is not the presents but in his presence, which is true, right? So I love that one also. Another thing is this one, and you can see that I have a lot of track with the tree in there because I really love this one. It's really cute. This sticker, so I just form it this way and back it up with some other colors, so it would look at pretty in there. And the word at the back, it says at no other time during the year is the spirit of giving and sharing more alive in people's hearts. Keep this spirit of Christmas in your heart all year long. True. So this is the card stock that I use. Another thing is this one, and there's a word Winter Wonderland already, so I didn't put any words, and I just designed it this way. It turns out cute. And the word at the back says the greatest gift of life is friendship, and I have received it. This is very, very cute. Another thing is this one. It says peace, and I really love this kind of paper, honestly. And the word that I put in here says peace on earth will come to stay when we live Christmas every day. I really love these words. It's really true. If we feel that we want to love or give during Christmas, we should feel it. We should live it every day. Looks like it's Christmas every day. This is cute. Another thing is this one. This is a very Merry Christmas. This is the designs. Looks like a gift. And the word says, bless us, Lord, this Christmas with quietness of mind. Teach us to be patient and always to be kind, which is very pretty as well. The last but not the least is this one. If you have seen my other cards, I have a lot of llama, and this time I use a llama again. But I just put a word Merry Christmas here with a truck to add beauty in it, and put some washi in here. Decorated it with that so that it would be more pretty. And at the back it says here, if there is no joyous way to give a festive gift, give love away. That's very, very inspiring words in here. So I'm showing this to you guys because I'm going to give this to my friends and hope they would enjoy this card. So thank you so much guys for watching again. Hope you had a wonderful Christmas, and please subscribe for those who haven't subscribed so you can see more of our videos, and hope to see you next time, and bye.